Hi there. So the only question I have for you is, how much do you love your dog? If you love your dog as much as I love mine, then I guarantee you, hands down, this course is for you. My goal is that by the end of this course, you will not only have a stronger relationship with your dog, but you will have an amazing abstract painting to cherish forever. In this course, I give you simple positive reinforcement steps that introduces your dog to the project area, the canvas panels, and the paint. Then after you and your dog create your amazing abstract masterpiece, I conclude the course with various ways you can start building a stronger bond with your dog. This course is all about your dog, and the reason why you should be creating abstract artwork with your dog now, today, is because dogs don't live a long time. And every owner should be having at least one piece of artwork created by their dog hanging in their home. I want you to have fun throughout this course and go at your own pace.
So go ahead, enroll today. Athena, Romeo, and I cannot wait to share this experience with you.